All right, at this point, our next step is going to be learning how to use our inventory hotbar and building some things. So now that we're at this tree, we are going to hold our finger on the tree. Notice the circle fills up when it's getting close to breaking, so you can be aware of that. If you let go too early, it starts over. Once you get to this point, you're going to want to scooch right underneath it, and you can look directly up because you want to basically chop down this tree other than all the branches. So we're going to get the logs out of this oak tree. Okay. Now that we've done that, we automatically suck up any of the logs that fell down. You can see we have 5 in our inventory hotbar. We're going to follow the yellow brick road up to here, and you'll want to talk to these kind folks, and they are going to give you some information about your hotbar. Now, notice as we follow the yellow brick road, it says place your crafting table here and touch it to access it. So we need to build a crafting table. What we're going to do is the bottom right down here, the 3 dots, we're going to click that. This is going to go into our craftable area where we can identify what we can build. Notice in the top left, we have these tabs. So right away, I'm going to go up to the construction tab on the top left, and I'm going to turn my oak logs into some oak planks. I'm going to do that by tapping the number 5. It's going to instantly put my logs into the crafting table, which if you'll notice is a 2x2, and it'll generate some oak planks. I'm going to tap those oak planks, and they will go into my hotbar. I'm going to go ahead and keep tapping those wood planks until it does not allow me to make wood planks anymore. I just don't need any logs right now. Now that I have wood planks, you can make other things with wood planks. So up in the top left, I'm in construction. I'm going to go to equipment, which is the sword. I can't make anything yet. My goal is to be able to make a pickaxe to get through some of those more solid materials than punching it with my hand. Let's go to the items, this bed image here. Notice that I can make sticks, and then that thing with a 5 on it is actually the crafting table, and I do want to get that. Let's start off, though, by just making a couple sticks, because we are going to need those sticks to build our tools. So let's go ahead and we'll tap the sticks once to put it into the crafting table. Notice it's using those planks. Let's tap stick on the bottom right and put, let's go ahead and put 8 sticks into our hotbar. Now we need one of those crafting tables. So go to the top left. You can see the box with the 4 on it. That's a crafting table. Let's make one of those using those 4 planks filling our 2x2 and tap the crafting table, and it'll go into our hotbar. Now that we've done that, we're going to hit the X on the top right and get out of there, and we want to put our crafting table there. To do that, go down to your hotbar and tap the crafting table. Okay? And then you're just going to, with your finger, touch that green square, and it'll place it. Now that it's there, we can touch it. Notice now we don't have a 2x2, we have a 3x3. This allows us to build bigger and better things. Our first thing that we want to focus on building is a pickaxe. So let's go up to the top left. You guessed it, it's the one with the sword. This is our equipment. And now look, there's things that we can build. Everything with the red background we cannot build yet. We don't have the materials to do that. But the things with the gray background we can. So go to the third one over on the top right. It is the pickaxe. It goes sword, axe, and then pickaxe. So click the pickaxe. Looks like that. It's a wooden pickaxe. Not as strong as some of the other ones, but it'll do the trick. That's the format for making it. It automatically creates it for you. Tap the wooden pickaxe on the bottom, and it'll go into your inventory. So at this point, we've made everything we need to make right now. Hit the X on the top right, and we are now going to follow the yellow brick road and continue our journey. So using your newly created pickaxe, break through this wall to continue. So all you do is you click on the pickaxe, and then you hold your finger, and look how quick it chops right through there. So go ahead and continue your journey through the pathway and through completing your tutorial.